If you don't already know, Spotify has a new campaign tool called Marquee, which essentially allows you to promote your music right within the app. Most people know about the regular Spotify ad campaigns, which just really expensive and they don't seem to get very good results. But this tool is completely different, and I'm going to show you guys what it's all about and how you can get it. So in order to qualify to run one of these Marquee campaigns, you need to have at least 15,000 US streams in the past 28 days or more than 2,500 US followers. Now it specifies the US because it's only running in the US. As of right now, I mean, it's in beta stages, so I assume that's a part of the reason, as well as there might be some other legal reasons that they need to jump over. But either way, it's the US only. Here's what it looks like as well on screen. This is essentially what pops up on the app as soon as people open it. The minimum budget that you can spend is $250, but you can put a higher budget than that. And it doesn't mean you're gonna actually spend all $250. I ended up spending $229.50. Essentially what this does is it just analyzes all the people who listen to your music and it pushes this campaign out to them in order to try to get you the best amount of conversions. I ended up reaching 4,696 different people, and 459 people ended up actually clicking on the ad. Every time somebody clicks on the ad, it costs you 50 cents, but if they just see it and exit out, it doesn't charge you anything. If we scroll down here, you can see I got 332 converted listeners, and it says right here, this means 332 people streamed this release after seeing the campaign, and the average streams per listener came out to almost 11, which is again very good. This means they ended up listening to 11 songs from the project. Of course, it's not going to be that evenly weighted. Maybe people only listen to 3 songs, but they like them enough that they listen to them multiple times. The campaign's only run for 1 week, but yeah, I think this is pretty good, pretty successful for the first campaign. Down here, we have a category called fan development. The first thing it says is your campaign's converted listeners showed intent to keep streaming your new release, meaning each converted listener saved or playlisted at least 1 track after streaming. We got a 10.5% increase in playlist ads, 163 total tracks were added to playlists, 24.1% save rate increase, and a total of 746 tracks were saved. A lot of really cool data here. I'm sure if you put the price range a lot higher over the week, it would spend more per day and you would reach more people, of course. But the easiest and best way to reach more people is to have your music on all platforms. So use DistroKid to get there, okay? I keep getting you guys. I keep doing it. I'm gonna give my final thoughts on the campaign, but seriously, if you don't already have your music on all the major streaming platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, you know, the whole 9 yards, use my VIP link at the top of the description. It saves you 7% on your first year. Their pricing starts at just $20 a year. You get unlimited uploads. You can back up all your releases so you don't lose anything off your PC. You can get an official artist channel on YouTube. Again, video in the corner. I've said this a million times. If you don't already have one, check it out. You can instantly become Twitch affiliate and plenty more things. So again, use my link at the top of the description if you want to sign up for them. I would really appreciate it. Anyway, let's get to the final thoughts. So would I recommend that you use this campaign tool? In a general sense, I would say yes, but if you had to choose between this and Facebook ads, it's a little bit up in the air. I'd love to call upon Andrew Southworth to comment down below his opinion because I feel like he's got a lot more experience in this. So Andrew, if you're watching this video, leave a comment. And if you're not Andrew, check to see if he commented and just see his thoughts on it. But overall, I would recommend using this. You got to think a little bit about the psychology behind running a campaign like this. When you run Facebook ads, you're kind of just guessing that the people on the app are going to be interested in leaving the app to go listen to your song. But when you go to open the Spotify app, obviously your intention was to go to listen to music. So in my eyes, it's a very worthy investment, and you can run one of these campaigns for every single drop that you have if you want to. But I highly recommend that you just drop some singles beforehand, run a pre-save campaign, whether it's through Facebook ads or just, you know, giving it out to people who already like your stuff, and then running one of these campaigns for an album or a full like EP project of some sort. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Anyways, guys, it's been your boy, 17, and I'm out. Peace.